Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In our Filipino-Mexican family, the possibilities are endless. We cook Filipino food when we crave Filipino food, and we cook Mexican when we crave Mexican food. But what happens when we crave both Filipino and Mexican food at the same time? Well, that's when we get creative. So today I'm going to show you how to make a burrito out of pork adobo leftovers. We're going to call it Adobo Burrito, the Filipino-Mexican style. If you'd like to know how to make adobo, we have a separate video for that. And I'm going to add the link in the description box below. You're going to see it above the screen, and it's also going to be available at the end of this video. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This is also going to allow our family to be able to share our favorite recipes with you. And we are so grateful for all of your support. Let's get started. First thing you do is chop the leftover adobo into bite-sized pieces. I've already chopped them and this is a finished product. Next, we're going to slice the red and green bell peppers. We're going to cut them into thin strips so that they can fit in our burrito. Now we're going to slice the onion and we're going to cut it into rings. Now we're going to heat up some oil and saute the onions until fragrant. Next, we're going to saute the red and green bell peppers. Just be careful not to overcook them so they don't wilt. Now we add a dash of salt and pepper to taste. Next, we're going to set our veggies aside. Finally, we're going to saute the adobo, so we're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan. You have the option to microwave the meat, but for me, I prefer to saute it because it'll taste better that way. On a separate pan, we're going to warm up a large flour tortilla. You may also use a griddle, a comal, or anything that you have that is big enough for the flour tortilla that you're using. Just make sure that you warm up both sides, but don't toast the tortilla, you want it to be soft. Finally, we're ready to put it all together. We're going to start off with the meat, then the cheese, the onions, and the bell peppers. And it doesn't have to be in this particular order, but this is how we're going to do it today. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. We're adding more cheese on top because we like our burrito cheesy. Now we're going to put it back on the pan and we're going to lightly brown it on all sides, making sure not to burn the tortilla. Introducing our Mexican Filipino Adobo Burrito. Delicious! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss out on our new recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar contents that may be of interest to you. If you like this dish, please click the like button and share with family and friends so they too can enjoy it. And if you want to try our other delicious recipes, simply click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. See you at the next video.